Do you love luxuriously thick and indulgent hot chocolate? Hello friends, this is Heather the Fed Up Foodie, and this gourmet hot chocolate is the perfect addition to holiday celebrations as an adult or traditional hot chocolate. To make it extra festive, rim the cocoa mugs in chocolate that is melted in a double broiler and then dipped into crushed candy canes. One of the best tips I can give, once the chocolate is melted, remove from the heat and let it cool slightly. This will help prevent the chocolate from becoming a sloppy, droopy mess down the sides of the mugs. In addition to the whole milk, heavy cream, and quality ingredients, the secret to making velvety, smooth, and thick hot chocolate is the addition of cornstarch. Before beginning, make a slurry with the cornstarch and a small amount of milk, and then set aside until nearing the end of cooking. One of the best ways to prevent scalded milk is to start the milk and heavy cream out on medium heat until it starts to steam, and then lower the heat down to medium-low before adding the sugar and cocoa powder. Using both cocoa powder and dark chocolate gives the hot cocoa an incredible deep chocolate flavor and richness. Once everything is fully incorporated, add the cornstarch slurry and cook, stirring constantly until desired thickness is achieved. For traditional hot cocoa, enjoy it at this stage or add in your favorite liqueur like peppermint schnapps or Bailey's Irish Cream. For more recipes like this and for weekly inspiration, make sure to head on over to thefedupfoodie.com and sign up for my newsletter where I share recipes and tips in helping to make cooking from scratch approachable.